Everyone, let's solve question number 6 of the exercise. This is a simple question. So let's think of the pros. In the left hand side we have the only term sin A, but in the right hand side we have the secant A term and a tan A term. Secant A can be written as 1 by cos A and tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. If we observe, here it is 1 sin A and is divided by cos A. So we will divide numerator and denominator by cos A. See, we just need to think that how we can have the same type of terms on the left hand side and the right hand sides. Denominator by what? Cos of A. So what we will get is under the root 1 plus sin of A. When I am saying cos of A here, it means under root cos of A, because we are talking that we are taking the cos inside. So it should be divided by cos of A by 1 minus sin of A divided by cos of A is equals to, guys, see, what is 1 by cos of A? That is secant of A, and sin A by cos of A, that is tan of A, divided by 1 by cos of A is again secant of A, and minus sin A by cos A is tan of A. See, now we got all the terms which are in left hand side and in the right hand side. We need what? See, here we want the denominator to be 1. Denominator to be 1. Therefore, we need to think of relation between secant A and tan A such that we get a 1. So the relation is what? Secant square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. I hope you remember. This is the relation we are going to use over here. And see, here it is only secant and tan A. We want square, so we will multiply both sides with a number. Let's see how. Secant of A plus tan of A by secant of A minus tan of A multiply by, see, here we want plus because we want only a single plus, so we will do with secant of A plus tan of A divided by secant of A plus tan of A. What will this become? 2 secant of A plus tan of A whole square divided by, we will use one more property, that is A square minus B square is equals to A plus B, A minus B. So what will be A plus B and A minus B? A square minus B square. That will be secant A is A, tan A is B. So it will become secant square A minus tan square A, which is equals to 1. And what we will get out is, this 2 will cut with this, 1 will come out, and we will get secant of A plus tan of A. I hope you get it. Meet you in the next video. Bye.